Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Janome sewing machine you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Janome sewing machine and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Janome sewing machine so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Janome sewing machine. First, think about your sewing needs, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced user. Janome offers different models designed for various skill levels. Next, consider the machine's features, such as stitch options, automatic threading, and built-in buttonholes, which can make your sewing easier and faster. You should also check the build quality and durability, as Janome machines are known for their long-lasting performance. Another key point is your budget. Choose a model that offers the best value within your price range. Finally, look at customer reviews and warranty support to ensure you get reliable after-sales service. These steps will help you make a smart and satisfying purchase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.